Luigi, wake up! We've been robbed!
What?
We've been robbed!
Not exactly robbed. I mean, I see a phone and a computer right there.
Let's go give him. Wanna go after him?
Yeah, let's go try to find them, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go get them and give them payback.
Yeah, right.
Alright, let's go find them, alright? Alright, Yoshi?
Alright.
Let's go get them.
Alright.
Alright, man, how far is this place, man? How far is it?
I don't know.
That looks too far.
Yeah, that looks too
Man. My God, man, this is getting too far.
Yes.
My God. Get off me, Yoshi.
I'm too tired.
Man, get off. Okay, good. Okay, let's go. You know what? Quicker way. Alright, get off me again.
I'm too tired.
Man, I hate you. Alright, let's go this way. Come on. What? Dead end. A dead end. Man, now we have to go back. This is taking forever, Yoshi.
Yes, it is.
Man, I can't find the way. How are we gonna find the way? Oh, the door is open. It's the police! No, run! Yeah, go! No, he's gonna get us! He's gonna get. No! Help me! He got me! No! Help! No! Don't take us to jail! No! We're too young to be in prison! No!
It's okay. I'm going to take you to Oklahoma.
No! I hate Oklahoma! No! Help us! No! Don't take us to jail! No! Don't put this on me! No! No!
The cuffs are broken.
No! Don't take us to jail. I don't want to go to jail. No, please don't. We don't want to go to jail. Help us. Everybody, can you hear me? Help us. No, don't take us to jail. We don't want to go to jail. We're too young. No. No, don't take us to jail. No.